Is this right on time? I know what this is. Ooh-wee. So you've been seeing me talk a lot about my planner, right? I think I know that. I think this is what it is. My PLP. We call it the Productive Lifestyle Planner. This is the very first official copy. I don't even know what it looks like yet. The very first official copy. If you ever been saying that you stuck and you're like, yo, I need to get to the next level, or I need to be more structured in my approach, so I know what to accomplish. I know what I need to do. I know the goals I need to accomplish. I need to figure out, okay, well, who do I need to contact? What are my specific, most valuable priorities throughout the day that I need to accomplish? What are distractions I need to stop doing and paying attention to? Ooh-wee. So this is the manuscript. I just sent the manuscript in probably like a couple weeks. So it took a couple weeks for it to come. But this is the first official copy. You ready? Ooh. Ooh, this is nice right here. Look at this. The Productive Lifestyle Planner. Oh, I did not play. It took me all of 2019. And this is the first official copy. First official copy. Whew. Oh my God. Look. Come on now. Look at this. What's this? We not playing. We are not playing. Let me give you a glimpse of what we talking about right here. I'm telling you, like, I put everything I had into. So if you are trying to figure out, like, we have our monthly goals. So like, let me real quick. So what we have here, we got our daily goals, right? What do you got to do for the day? So remember, I was telling you, like, what are your priorities or your targets is really what I like to call it. Most people, when people say goals, it's more airy fairy. But when you say targets, it's something specific you're aiming for. So I got targets. What are your priorities? What are your distractions for the day? Oh my God. And then we have a whole nightly assessment. So you fill this out during the day. You fill this out during the night. And I promise you, and it's so funny how things happen. It's so funny that it came now, beginning of the year, dead beginning of the year. And imagine filling this out every single morning and every single night. Most people do their assessment of their life at the beginning of the year. Oh, New Year's resolutions. And that's the only time they evaluate their year. That's the only time they make. I just did a call the other day with my clients, and I was just talking about assessments and adjustments, right? This is going to help you assess, and this is going to help you make adjustments. And instead of doing the annual adjustment or annual assessment, which most people do during their New Year's, this is a daily adjustment, daily assessment. Oh my God, this is mind blowing. Wow, like, this is amazing. I'm really, really excited. What do you got to do for the week? So you set your week priorities, right? Get busy. What else we got in here? What else? This is like mind blowing to me. So we got the week, and let me see what the some of the back look like. Wow. Anyway, we got a lot going on. The end of it, right? Man. So anyway, so this is the Productive Lifestyle Planner. Super, super proud of it. Took me all of 2019, but I got it just the way that I wanted. So anyway, this is for you. And yeah, come grab it. I'll put a link up. Make sure you come and get it, because now it is it's pretty much official now. I'm just as soon as I put up the link, you can go get it and be able to go and order. All right. So let's work. You want to be held accountable this in 2020. You want to say, you know what? I need to be more structured. I need to continue moving on at the pace that I know I could be moving at. I need to continue to get my momentum. Or if you're like, yo, I procrastinated all last year, I didn't get a chance to make it to accomplish my goals in my personal life, my personal or in my business. I know I could have been striving a little bit harder. This is going to keep you right on point. All right. So super excited about this. All right. So make sure you grab that and let's continue to work. No more excuses this year. Now that you know, and now that you have a tool to get it done, no excuses. All right. Let's get it.